Guangzhou Chuanbo Information Technology Company Limited. It is China's innovative technology enterprise which integrating R&D, production, sales, and operation of intelligent commercial equipment. With the innovative strength of new technology, improve the scientific quality management system, steady development with excellent practical ability, become a well-known commercial technology company in the industry. We have various kinds of commercial intelligent equipment, including fully automatic cotton candy machine, automatic popcorn machine, automatic balloon machine, automatic milk tea machine, vending machine, and other machines. The company has passed ISO 9001 certification, UL certification, UKCA, CB, CE certification, RCM, ROS certification. With years of accumulation and precipitation in the technology industry, the company focuses on commercial automatic equipment in the intelligent field. Independent research and development of more than 100 terminals. It has more than 20 design patents, utility model patents, and other technical products. Utilize new technology. Deeply integrate artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud services, and big data. Simplify the complexity, just to create more excellent intelligent retail equipments, and open up the era of unmanned self-service new retail intelligence. In 2023, Chuanbo Technology was rated as a high-tech enterprise, AAA Credit Management Demonstration Enterprise, and China Credit Supplier Credit Enterprise. We are committed to providing superior performance products to the global markets. Guangzhou Chuanbo Technology, enabling the intelligence of the new retail field. Enjoy the better life brought by science and technology.